How to load funds into your Presto card. You can add money to your Presto card in several ways, including online, in person, and through the Presto app. Here's how. 1. Load funds online. Visit the Presto website, then sign into your Presto account. Select Load Funds and choose the amount. Enter your payment details and confirm the transaction. Funds may take up to 24 hours to appear. 2. Use the Presto app. Download the Presto app on iOS or Android, then log in and tap Reload Card. Choose the amount and complete the payment. If your phone supports NFC, tap your card on the back to update the balance instantly. 3. Add funds in person. Visit a Presto kiosk, Geo-Transit station, Shoppers Drug Mart, or other authorized locations. Tap your card and select the reload option, then pay using cash, credit, or debit card. 4. Set up auto reload in your Presto account. Enable auto reload to add funds automatically when your balance is low. And that's all for this video. Thank you.